ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಸರ್, ಮಂಡೇ 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 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಕೊಡಿ. 27th 7A 13 ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ 27th. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗು? ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್, ಬೇಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್, so what? So what? ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. We will adjourn it to 2025 January. Yes, ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. You just give it. ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I will post it when I want. Yes. So ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಡೇ ತಾನೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
311 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ DA ಎಲ್ಲ 27th ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್.
Actually, has been heard by this court by now. Put it for dictation by now. In the NDC Act by now.
I know, sir. 2022, sir. You have come in place of Santosh Nagrale.
Please.
Yes, sir. I know, sir. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, sir. Yes.
He is a student by now. Student by now.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಸದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏನು? ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ 376. ಓ ಎಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಾನೆ? ಮಂಡೇ ಸರ್. ವೈ ಸರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ವೈ. ಟುಮಾರೋ MPML ಇವತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡೇಟ್. ನಾಳೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೇಟ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿವೆ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
My lord, this is 311 application, my lord.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
I was the presiding officer of the
ಏನ್ ಗೌರವ್ ಬಂದ? No, I will not. Stay ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
This complaint, my appointment is not getting approved, my lord.
What approved, madam?
That there is a
We'll see.
complaint
Yes.
registered.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
My lord, it was a date given matter. It was not listed on
We'll
the
see,
website
we'll
date.
see.
My lord, end of the list.
Monday, my lord.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 230 ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್,
End of the list.
ಯಾರು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That also will come before the court. Give it.
My lord, on the day of cross-examination, advocate was unwell.
Fresh,
And then accused-
pending.
fresh.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಮಂಡೇ.
Sir,
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ
313 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನು
313 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we have been keep on applying, but it's not getting listed.
It will come. Yes, leave it.
Travel.
Hmm.
Court has informed the passport.
Trial court is important, the passport. Give it, yes.
My lord,
Tomorrow, give it, yes. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
my lord, NBW,
ಚೋಪ್ರಾ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? Leave it.
fresh
Leave
matter.
it. Yes. Don't ask for disposals. Please don't ask for disposals. There are only 7 days left. Please don't ask for disposals.
My lord, end of,
No, if there is stay, honor that stay, be quiet. Yes. One ನಿಮಿಷ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ end of the list? No, don't give that memo, madam. Stay ಇರೋದು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಡಿ. Yes.
ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಡಿ.
Give it. Yes.
My lord, sir, petition-
ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2:30 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Give it. Tomorrow.
Memo for being
ಆ
spoken.
bail ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
The memo for being spoken to, it was moved last.
Tomorrow, yes.
It is vacating stay, my lord.
It will memo ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, it will come. 4th time ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, it will come. Yes.
My lord,
They had moved, but the
ಏನ್ advocates are indulging in so many crimes, why?
25 days I think. It compared application. Any date, my lord.
Give it. Pending,
Fresh matter.
Monday, Tuesday ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು
my
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
lord, end of the list.
FIR is under the Excise Act, my lord, for the
Fresh pending.
fresh matter, my lord, for 2:30, my lord, only for
Why?
this reason that there is every possibility that my lord, tomorrow or Monday they may file charge, not everything is ready.
It's all right, Monday ಕೊಡಿ. Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು we will state, give it. Yes.
Monday, my lord.
Petitioner's
Public.
245 application is kept in abeyance, my lord.
What for 145? Why?
245 application, because
245
it's
application,
a
why?
private complaint, my lord.
Hmm.
So based on which cognizance was taken and evidence.
Fresh
before-
matter ತಾನೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Fresh matter, my lord.
Monday or
Matter
Tuesday,
is,
give it.
matter is pending on Saturday.
Saturday ಇಲ್ಲ. Saturday I am not sitting, give
I'm
it.
asking for
You
tomorrow,
want before the other court, you move it. Saturday I am
Monday.
not, I am not sitting.
Monday,
Monday.
please.
There is no stay in this matter, your lord.
You said stay is there.
I'm very sorry.
All right, give it. Monday or Tuesday ಹಾಕಿ.
Tuesday,
What vehicles?
Tuesday.
Truck, ಯಾವ್ದು FR number? FR number.
Yes, it's a fresh matter.
You said pending matter.
No, sir, I didn't mention that.
Then comply, go and comply. It will come, yes. Only if complied, it will get posted, yes.
Much obliged, your lordship.
vehicle is been deteriorating.
Huh?
Last 8 months it's.
Give it, ಯಾಕೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು? ಗುಡಿ, it will come. Pending matter ಅಲ್ವಾ? Fresh chance, it should be pending, yes. Correct ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, fresh pending.
Fresh matter.
Next week ಹಾಕಿ, yes.
Was any
No,
date
Gauram
next
must don't
week's?
move, yes. Stay ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
Lord, in this case, under the people representative act, Lord, the allegation is that.
ಇನ್ನ
Lord, under the people representative, private complaint has been filed.
ಏನ್?
And because the allegation is that, my lord, I have requested, my lord, vote for particular party. So that, on the basis of that, my lord, complaint has.
ಈಗ
been
ಏನ್
filed.
ಬೇಕೀಗ?
Warrant has been, CC has been already.
2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, yes.
My lord, end of the list.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ end of the list?
ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ MD ಗೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಯಾವ MD ಗೆ?
ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅವರು 419, 500 my lord, with there is no my lord, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
2:30?
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾಕೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
NBW issue.
Why did you not appear before the court?
My lord, he has not received the
No, yes.
my lord,
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ
end
ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
of the list. My lord.
My lord, fresh matter, my lord.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, yes.
My lord, fresh matter.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
On
madam.
25/9, in trial court, they have set up for charge, my lord.
2:30.
You're a left
In
hander.
1.5 month, the matter has.
You're a
not-
left hander, is it? Give it in the right hand. Yes.
Lords, this is a matter.
Wait.
My lord, on 25/9, in trial court, they have set up for charge, my lord.
Hmm.
It's been 1.5 month, they have not, the list, the matter is not listed, my lord. Please kindly.
Monday.
It's an urgency.
Monday or Tuesday fresh matter ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Tomorrow, my lord, withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ withdrawal.
Lords, this is a matter where during COVID, the sanitizer was manufactured with ethyl alcohol and placed.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ?
Lordships have given a date yesterday.
Sorry?
Specifically, Lordships had given a date yesterday. my
What
lords.
purpose?
It's not listed for the drug inspector to get back notes to on this.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, it's got to be.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಾ?
Yes, since the date was given, I
Don't
just,
move. Yes,
please.
next. One? Stay ಇದೆಯಾ? Fresh matter. It's all right, give it, sir.
If my lord permits, may I make one submission, my lord?
BC, please wait. Yes.
Sorry, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ, yes, take that Monday ಕೊಡಿ. Monday or Tuesday. ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಏನು? Tomorrow ಇಲ್ಲ sir, give it, yes. So, give it Monday. ಅರೆ Monday sir, Monday ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 29th. No tomorrow. sir.
Your lordship.
Tomorrow I'll tell you, tomorrow there is a bench in the morning. I'm going to sit only at 2:30. How many matters can I take? There are already 209 in the list. How many matters can? ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅರ್ಧ ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗ? And today also, I'll rise at 125, come back at 145 because 3:45 we have reference. I have to rise at 3:45. So I'm skipping lunch and sitting here. Or any of you wanting to come, please come. I will continue with the list. Give me 15 minutes, I'll finish lunch and come. You also finish lunch and come. From 1:45, we'll continue the proceeding. All right? Yes. One.
Your lordship, this pending matter, I had made a mention and your lordship had listed for yesterday, but the memo has not come. This is a matter where your lordship has heard the matter and substantially covered by your lordship's
That's
decision.
all right. ಅದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
It was listed on 31st, my lord.
ಹಾ?
Listed on 31st, my lord.
ಹಾ.
It was given for yesterday, my lord, not listed.
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಉಂಟಾ? ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Not requested ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, but
ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
It's also pending.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ.
Pending matter, my lord, there is no stay.
ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
Any day next week.
Huh?
Any day next week.
ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Adjournment only when it is called. Yes.
List number 1, fresh matters number 1.
for petition in this case, I pray for a week's time, my lord, to file an application for amendment.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
There is no stay.
ನೋ ಸ್ಟೇ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Washing ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ stay ಇಲ್ಲ.
There is no stay. 364A where the,
ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಾನು.
that is serial number 34. 34, man.
34.
All right. At the request of the learned counsel appearing for the respondent, list the matter, a petitioner. List the matter on 26th.
Not ready.
Yes, sir. Heard so and so on ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Great.
No taking names.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes. If you want me to read something, I will read.
ಹೇಳಿ. Under 439.
ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾಕಿದೆ. I'll just briefly bring to lordship's notice the chronology of events.
Why this 3 petitions of Prajwal?
ಎರಡು anticipatory, 2 different informants. There are 3 informants.
All right.
First one is 413.
All right.
Lords, this initially, Lord, on
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಮಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ.
I have not made any in notes as
Yes.
from my notes. I'll not trouble you a lot.
All
It's
right.
too much.
Very sir.
note.
Yes.
We have made one, of course, one convenience compilation of the relevant documents which we propose to rely on the entire 4 volumes of charge sheet. So
All
that
right.
it becomes convenient for us. Same.
If
part
it is
of the charge sheet.
convenient, give it to them also.
I'll put it, 100 copy. I'll copy it.
Convenience compilation.
Because what it is voluminous, I thought
Ah,
whatever
right.
we want to rely.
ಅಲ್ಲ correct. This is enough.
But 28th, I'll just briefly narrate before your lordship the chronology. 28th of April, lords,
Hmm.
the first information is lodged by the prosecutrix.
In which petition are you
First
now?
petition. I'm only now
6401.
arguing 439,
439.
Please,
petition.
please.
All right.
Please.
Hmm.
28th.
Ah.
In that first information, lords, I am arraigned as accused number 2
Hmm.
for offences under 354A, 354D,
Where do you-
506 and 509.
That is page 1.
Please.
All right.
18 is the complaint. Page 18 is the complaint in the
All right.
criminal petition. I'll read to your lordship at
All
a
right.
later point. Accused number 1 is my father
In the complaint.
in the complaint. There is no allegation as such against
Where
me.
is the complaint?
Page 18,
Maybe but in the petition.
petition.
Initial petition.
Petition.
Ah.
To charge sheet papers.
Oh, this is only charge.
Charge sheet.
All
papers.
right. Yes. 18
Page
complaint.
18, Lord.
Hmm.
I'll take lordships later, Lord, at a.
All
Lord, I
right. Father is
Accused
alleged.
number 1, I have been arraigned as accused number 2,
Yes.
354A, 354D,
Hmm.
506, 509.
Hmm.
This first information is recorded by the Hole Narsipura police station at Bangalore, by the
All right.
station officer. Lord, then Lords, on 1st of May, this state government constitutes a special investigation team. That Lordships will get it page 8. On 2nd of May, Lords, they
Page
record
8 of what?
page 8 of the criminal petition itself.
Page 8 ಅಲ್ಲ.
Alla, page 8, alla, sorry. Page 57.
All right, yes. SIT is constituted.
Constituted.
You were not the accused then?
No, I was accused on 28th itself.
28.
But for offences under 354A, 354D, 506, 509.
All right. For that purpose, SIT was constituted.
Yes.
All right. Yes.
On 2nd of May, my lord, they record the further statement of the prosecutrix by this SIT.
Where do I get that?
That further statement of the prosecutrix is not in the petition. Lordships will get now in that compilation.
Page.
Please. Lordships will get that at page 27 of that compilation. Correct, Ahmed? Check.
Yes.
The
ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ.
ಹೌದು. I'll take Lordships to that. Then, my lords, they of course, my lords, seek the requisition of the learned magistrate to invoke 376 on the same day, 2nd May.
Page 33.
Please.
Yes.
That is permitted by the learned magistrate. On 13th of May, they give a second requisition to invoke section 66E.
Oh, the IT Act.
How? That is
Yes.
also permitted.
All right.
Now, my lords, of course, on first court, 26, two other factors. 26th of May, April, soon after the Lok Sabha elections, the petitioner who was arraigned as accused number 2 left the country. On 30th May, my lords, he returned.
After 34 days.
Yes.
All right.
He returned. He was taken into custody at the international airport.
All right.
Since then, my lord, he has been in custody. Now, on 23rd August, they have filed this charge sheet for, Lord, of course, Lords, apart from invoking the offences of 376, 354A, 354B, 354D, they have also invoked 376(2K, rape by a person in domination.
Yes.
Please. 66E also has been there. But this is the background, my lords. But Lord, as I have seen the charge sheet in my own Lord's analysis, the entire case of the prosecution is based on two broad factors. One is, my lords, the statement of the prosecutrix herself. One recorded before the police, second note under 164(5) before the learned magistrate. It is her narration which implicates the petitioner according to
Contradiction between the two?
There is. I'll show before. According to them, Lord, this is the statement which implicates the petitioner. The second limb of the evidence which has been built is, my lord, that they say this alleged act is available in a mobile phone, and that mobile phone is sought to be used as evidence. These are the two broad parameters, my lords. My endeavor before your lordships will be to show that on a closer examination on both these things, a case at this stage, my lords, may not be made out. Of course, for the purposes of lordships are examining, I'm conscious of a 439 application.
Not made out for bail?
No, petitioner may not be implicated at this stage. My lord, lordships should kindly see the method and manner in which the prosecution has built up the entire case. Lord, there is a brief background to this, Lord. In fact, the background, Lords, is a suit which the petitioner has filed before the civil court at Bangalore, Lord, much before all this happened. Lord.
Suit?
Yes.
What suit?
There is an injunction suit he files.
Against whom?
Lord, against all the television channels. May I request lordships to kindly see page 95, Lords, of that criminal petition.
95.
95 is the interim order. 95 is the plaint.
Yes. Where is the order?
No. Now, Lords, no, before that, Lordships peruse that order.
Hmm.
May I request Lordships to kindly see paragraph 3 of that plaint note, which is the foundation of. the
When did
case.
you institute this?
Lord, this
suit?
suit was filed. Plain date. First June 23. 1/6/2023.
1/6/23.
Please. But paragraph 3 of that page 109, if Lordships permit me to just read.
Yes.
I have narrated in what circumstances that suit was filed, which according to me is the link between the present case and that.
Page
109.
109. All right.
Para 3. It is
Para?
3. Para 3.
Yes, sir.
It is submitted that recently defendant number 88
Hmm.
sent a fake and morphed photograph to plaintiff through WhatsApp from mobile number so and so
Hmm.
to plaintiff's WhatsApp photo of some unidentified random woman.
Hmm.
Defendant number 88 threatened the plaintiff
Hmm.
that he has created morphed photograph of plaintiff with some random woman,
Hmm.
and similarly he would further create, release and circulate
Hmm.
fake morphed photographs and videos of the plaintiff
Hmm.
with some random woman, and would ensure the plaintiff's reputation and his family reputation, including plaintiff's political career,
Hmm.
would be damaged by circulating such fake morphed photographs in print, electronic and social media platforms.
Hmm.
The defendant number 88 threatened
Hmm.
that he would go to any extent to damage plaintiff's reputation
Hmm.
and his family reputation,
Hmm.
and that he would release the fake and morphed photographs
Hmm.
in video, in print and electronic media if he does not agree to his illegal demands. Defendant number 88 is one Mr. Karthik. I'll just.
Defendant 88.
88. He is the
So this paragraph is dedicated to 88.
88. This person,
Yes.
I must bring to Lordship's notice the relationship of the petitioner with him. He was the erstwhile estranged driver of the petitioner who left the job.
Driver also becomes
Estranged
Yes.
because of some animosity, Lord, that he states.
Hmm.
He left. Now, Lord, this injunction suit, of course, Lord, the trial court was pleased to grant an injunction restraining all the defendants therein to release the photographs, etc. There was an order of injunction, which
Yes.
Lordships will get it at
Page
93.
injunction is at 93.
Please. It is in force even today.
Yes.
Yes. Now, apart from this suit, on 23rd of April 2024, just before the Lok Sabha elections,
Yes.
a complaint was filed by the election agent of the petitioner before the Holenarsipura police station. Making 4 persons as accused therein for an offense under section 67A, that's 66E. Say,
Where do I get that?
but that Lordships will get it at page 118. FIR is at page 118. The complaint, Lords, is at page 121. There also Lordships will kindly see the Naveen Karthik and Karthi Madila. There also, Lords, the Karthik is arrayed, shown as accused number 1.
Who is the complainant here?
Ali Purna Chandra Andre,
Who
he
is
is my election agent.
Your election.
Election agent.
Hmm.
Naveen Gowda, Lord, the others are there. Karthik Lordships will find in that complaint at page 121.
Oh, Karthik is not the accused.
Illa, first ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ
Next page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ and others ಅಂತ Lord accused.
ಸರಿ.
ನವೀನ್ ಗೌಡ and others, but complaint 121 Lordships.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ is there.
Is there.
But
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ accuse ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Later added.
Is ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the background, my lords, in which we proceeded. Now, my lords, the next event is important. Elections were to be, polling was to be held on 26th of April 2024.
No, by the time this complaint, polling had already been over.
Allala, this is 23rd.
23rd May.
23rd April. This
Registered on what date? Oh, 23/4.
Four,
Yes,
right?
Yes, yes.
In this background, my lords. Now,
Why did you register
Adhe
this?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. One of the reasons, my lord, by that time, in the town of Hassan and other places, photographs or videos showing the photographs and videos of some women alleged to be with me were being circulated
In Hole Narsipur.
in Hassan.
All right.
That was the background, my lords, in with this complaint.
So this was because of the apprehension.
Yes, yes. That my case was that this my photographs, my pictures were morphed, or even those videos or photographs which did not contain my photographs, a false accusation was being made that I was in the company of these women. It was in this background, my lord, I
You were
apprehended
in the company of?
some women.
Ah.
Wow, some.
Hmm.
Now, my lords, this was the background: injunction suit, private complaint. 26th, my lord, as I was mentioning before, your lordships, was the date of polling.
Date of polling.
25th, lordships may kindly see, the prosecutrix, along with her daughter, proceeds to Bangalore.
Hmm.
And, my lords, gives a television interview. She does not go anywhere else. She goes to the television channel and she gives a television interview. In the
Was there a complaint registered already against?
No,
All
nothing,
right.
nothing. She for the first time goes to Bangalore from Hole Narsipura and gives an interview. In that interview, my lord, even according to her, it is part of her statement. She alleges that there has been some sexual harassment by accused number 1 and accused number 2
In the TV interview.
in the television interview.
All right.
She does not state anything about 376. That is, lordships may kindly note that. After 25th, my lord, which she records in Bangalore, she says, according to her first information report, first information which she has lodged, which now I'll read before you. In the company of
When was the FIR registered?
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 20
Interview ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಅವತ್ತೇ.
ಅವತ್ತಲ್ಲ, next day, after 2 days, next day she says she met one Parvati, a local person who was her friend. And on 28th, they make a phone call to Hole Narsipura police station from Bangalore. A station house officer comes to Bangalore to record that statement. Now, my lord, lordships may kindly see that statement, which is at page 18. 18. This is recorded on 28th.
18, yes, sir.
Lord, there are no, according to me, much.
No, this is against the father and the son.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡ.
Both. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ, actually, practically there is nothing.
All
But Lord, this statement which I am going to read does not have any explicitives which is disturbing, so that lordships will permit me to read.
Yes.
Wherever I feel, Lord, it is not required, I would request. Lord, this forms the foundation of the prosecution case, so lordships may permit me to read the entire thing, Lord.
Entire thing?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 pages ಇದೆ. Lordships may permit me to. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ನಾನು ಹೊಳೆ ನರಸೀಪುರ ಟೌನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪತಿ ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿದಿರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lordships may permit me to just read this one. May I request lordships to permit me to read from the sentence, lords, ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ, lordships, third sentence. In fact, this reading of this would
ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶಾಸಕದ
ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ನಾಗಲಾಪುರದ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಲಿನ ಡೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ BCM ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಕೆ SSLC ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾಸವಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಪತ್ನಿ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೋದರತ್ತೆ ಮಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಸಂಬಂಧಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ 2013ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ತೀರಿಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸುವುದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಆಗಾಗ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ನಾನು 2018ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ಅವರ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅದಾಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪುತ್ರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರ ಮದುವೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಕೂರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು, ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. That is the first time when she comes in contact in the year 2019. That is 4 years after 2015. Then ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ನಂತರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಠಡಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there one or two sentences lordships may kindly see. ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Lordships may kindly read it. It's nothing but, but still no. ಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಡುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ all that she says.
Seen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lordships have seen all those things.
No, I have read, sorry.
Lordships have read it.
Yes.
Then lords, ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I have seen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ I have seen this. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I said I have read. Yes.
Must see the statement.
That's what,
Yes,
sir.
I'm sorry. Lords, now last paragraph in that page 90. But this one other statement I have to read. No, I'm sorry. I had marked here, therefore.
She speaks about the television interview as well.
Yes, no,
Yes.
he also says video call, the page 18, last sentence, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ, she says video call at the last sentence.
One clarification.
Please.
You are under 439 of the sun.
Yes, correct.
The sun, right? Now, all these factors apart, do you deny the happenings?
Of course, as a
No, any amount of digression or beating around, ultimately the crux comes to the issue whether it has happened or not.
No, but I cannot.
One minute. And these factors, what you say, that it may be to wreak vengeance or to old things have brought up or whatever. The acts having happened is under section 66, that is the offense.
May I, my lords, put it across in this manner?
Yes.
Obviously, appearing for the accused, I know, I only have to say this. If I have to assume something against myself, I'll put it across in this.
All right.
Rather, if I have to assume what they have said is to be true, which obviously we don't concede, yet no offense is made out. For this reason,
Seriously?
No, I'll explain. I'll explain. In this manner, I'll explain in this manner.
All right.
Assuming that there was an act, there is nothing to suggest at all that it was against the will or consent. That is one of the way I want to put it across before the judges. That is one aspect of the matter. There is nothing to suggest even.
So according to you, they were consensual acts.
Assuming, lords, that this act is true. Ultimately, FSL report doesn't match today. That is what I wanted to bring.
What
FSL report does not match that video at all. The FSL report says that mobile phone which is supposed to record this does not, that video cannot be ascertained. It cannot be said that as genuine. That is the FSL report which I thought I'll read.
All right.
But before that, lordships may kindly see as to why I say, lords, that assuming that even if this act has had taken place, it cannot be construed as forcible. The reason is this. The reason is two factors which I will bring to lordship's notice. Only in order, Lord, without meaning any other, without suggesting anything else, about the credibility of the complaint itself, particularly alleging 376. I'm only on that. Lordships may permit me to just complete this narration at page 19. I wanted to bring to lordship's notice one other background. It was not about just animosity, etc. The circumstances which will show, my lords, that there could not have been 376 at all. Page 19, lordships may kindly see. First sentence, ಆದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೆದರಿಕೊಂಡ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಳು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಒತ್ತಡಗಳಿಂದ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕೋಪಗೊಂಡ ಅವರು ನಾನು ವಾಸವಿದ್ದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಯೋಜನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿಸಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಒಡವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, lordships may kindly see, in 2021, she says, ಹೊಳೆನರಸೀಪುರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ದೂರು ನೀಡಲು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವರು ದೂರು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಹಾಸನ್ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗೂ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆವು, ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ HD ರೇವಣ್ಣ so and so. Therefore, my lord, the only reason what I emphasized on this is this story being built up now that I was scared of these people. Therefore, I did not make any allegation against them insofar as 376 or 354 day is concerned. My lords, may not meet with this version. It's not that she did not have any grievance or she did not go to the authorities earlier. She did go to the authorities in the year 2021. She went to the police station, she went to the deputy commissioner, made allegations against us about illegally removing her from her house, Achrya house. Therefore, my lord, this is something which my lords may kindly my lord, take note of. Then, my lords, the statement made against me is in the last paragraph.
Yes. That begins some ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆ ದೂರ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Yes. Now, then my lords, idರಲ್ಲಿ why she now gives a complaint on this day, there is no explanation whatsoever according to me. Whatever is there, my lord, lordships will get it at the last paragraph. This is all she says.
Yes, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, it starts from ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ, all right.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಇವರು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನ್ನಲಾದ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆಯು ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಚನ್ನರಾಯಪಟ್ಟಣ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದರ್ಜನ ನಡೆಸಿರುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ, ಆತಂಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಘಾತವಾಯಿತು. ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡ ಆತಂಕಾಗಿ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಶೀಲವನ್ನು ಶಂಕಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ನಿನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗತಿ ಏನು, ನೀನು ಕೂಡ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಇದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ನನ್ನ ಪತಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಲೇ ಬಂದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಶಯ ಹಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ವಾಹಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಸಾರವಾಗಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗಾದ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ, ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಿರುಕುಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸುದ್ದಿವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ, ಕಿರುಕುಳ, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯನ್ನು ದೂರನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯಸ್ಥರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗಂದ್ರೆ ಗಣೀಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಈ ದೂರವನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದೆ.
Yes.
But I just want to pause here. A couple of things lordships may kindly note from this statement. She is related to the wife, my mother rather. She was, my lords, employed by my father. Rather, my lord, he had secured her a job. 4 years ago, in 2015, she comes in contact. 2018 onwards, she has been working in our house.
This is the only complainant?
She's the only one.
Alla, in the entire episode, she is the only lady.
She is the only one. This is all the foundation. Now I'll show before something else. But what is important is there is no allegation against me. Therefore, what I took. There is no allegation at this stage against me at all. The allegation is against my father about sexual harassment. No 376. She says, why, I mean, practically, my lord, there is no explanation why from 2020, even against my father, or some suggestion against me, there is nothing directly. Why did you take 4 long years? No explanation. She only says some videos were being circulated, and those videos, my husband asked me, are you there? I took the courage and went to the television channel. Not very strange. I went to the television channel to record this 1 day before the polling is to take place. And therefore, my lords, thereafter, she has come and lodged. This is the complaint at this stage. Lord, when things stood thus, lordships will kindly see on first, lords, this call, the lordships have seen that SIT is constituted. 28, no, I'm sorry.
Yes.
28, that page 57, lordships have seen that. Now the further statement, lordships may kindly see, in which for the first time,
The father has been granted bail.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬೇಲು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ have
34 I have stayed
stayed
on
proceedings
yes.
also. No, I will not, I'm
Because
not,
you're reading about the father throughout.
no, it's correct. No, our father ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, there is nothing against me. I tell that.
Then further statements.
Further statement on first, Lords, the further statement in first 376 is invoked for the first time. Lordships may permit me to invoke, read that.
Further statement is on 1/5/2024.
ಅದು further statement. It is there in that part, it is there in that charge sheet.
Yes.
107.
107. 107.
Charge sheet.
ಅಲ್ಲ convenience compilation. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ?
Now the convenience compilation, Lordships will get it at page 27.
Charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, page 27.
107.
107 charge sheet to 27 of our.
27 ನಿಮ್ದು. That's why 107. Yes.
ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Lords again she narrates.
This is the same complainant.
ಹೌದು, ಅವರೇ ಸೇಮ್
ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ.
ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ.
So obviously same complainant.
Same complaint. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ she narrates the same thing, Lords, but then suddenly changes a version at page 29.
Yes.
109. That is the first paragraph.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಾದರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ Lords at page 110, page 30.
Solid. 110.
110 first, second, third, ಸುಮಾರು 2020. This is all, Lordships, you can see that. This is how,
So
370.
after this statement here,
Yes.
this 2/5/2024, they seek permission to invoke
Correct,
376, which is at page 60.
That's correct.
All right.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. This is that
Yes.
paragraph which is now there before your Lordships is
Yes.
her statement. This she says happened in 2020. Couple of statements, Lords, there itself, so that I'll not trouble your Lordships. In that page, last sentence, she says, I do not know whether this act was recorded in the video or etc. That last sentence, Lordships. She does not say that it was recorded.
Yes.
Then page
It was
100.
in fact recorded.
ಇಲ್ಲ, nothing. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಈಗ it's now evidence which has come about. There is a different versions. They have told me different versions. But the fact of the matter is, there is nothing on record to show today that there was an act. But I'll come back and I'll repeat myself once again. Assuming there is an act, there is nothing to suggest that it was attracting 376. Circumstances would clearly point out that there could not have been 376. But the FSL report, as we have received from them now, does not match these videos.
FSL is sent for what?
ಇದು mobile, they specifically they ask questions.
Whether these videos have emerged from this mobile.
Not only mobile,
Then?
whether this lady and the accused can be traced to that video. ಅವರು clarity ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ professor. They seem to say negative. Question number 8 and 9, but I'll show for. I'll not. But I'll just complete this note, two sentences. But the entire summary of my arguments is based on these things, not insofar the credibility of this complaint is concerned. Therefore, there 2 sentences she says, I'm not sure whether there was a video recording. Secondly, she says, I did not inform the mother even after this.
All right.
Why she went to television channel, she did not mention 376. Why when she recorded their statement, she did not mention 376. Why, apart from the fact that 5 years gap, why for the first time she mentions, she remains conspicuously absent, no explanation whatsoever. Lordships may kindly permit me to make that statement. Now, after this 161 statement, 164.5 also has been recorded before the learned magistrate.
Page.
Please. In that convenient compilation, Lordships. 30, 34.
Yes, 133.
one statement what I must make before I forget. In that complaint which I was reading, further statement, she says, I did not disclose all details of the harassment. That's all she says, nothing else. No, coming back to 164.5, page 30. But the 164.5 statement of the complainant is more or less the same, but I will not trouble.
Yes,
There is
it
nothing
is.
new, she says. It's
161 and 164 are the same.
statement, same Madidare before
Yes.
the Learned Magistrate. That has also been recorded.
Yes.
There is another witness which the prosecution relies upon is his daughter.
Her daughter.
Her daughter. Her statement is also recorded. Her version is, no, I'll not. He says that he used to call on my mother's phone and used to ask me to undress, which I refused. Nothing happened. Her statement is, he used to call, I refused. I did not, that act did not commit. That is her statement. 161 statement is there. 164 statement of hers also is recorded. There are some contradiction in her statements to show that the timing doesn't match. There is, I'll only point out to show the blemishes in the way that this entire story has been built up. At one point of time, she says 2021, after my husband passed away. Sorry, he divorced. Desert. I'm sorry. When her husband deserted 2021, I came to Puransipura. After that, this phone calls used to come. But earlier, at one point of time, in her 161 statement, she says it was in 2020. There is some inconsistency. But that is also, according to me, of course, at the stage of trial, could be discredited, the versions. Therefore, Lord, this is the material which was the foundation. So far as Alex 370.
Take me to the FSL.
I just want to complete this limb.
You know, not arguing a 482.
I'll just
439.
sentence. I'll just five features of these statements, Lordship. I have noted, but I'll just bring to
Yes,
Lordship.
yes.
But I have already stated that Lords, right from the year to alleged incident is 2020 up to 2024, 1st of May, no allegation of 376. One explanation, or rather one feeble attempt which has been made is they were very powerful people. I could not raise my voice. That may not be believed, Lord, for the reason, Lords, that I have read before your Lordships. On an earlier occasion, she literally waged war against us by going to the Deputy Commissioner's office, sitting dharna, filing a complaint before the police station for the illegal house. Therefore, Lord, this version that there was no rebellion. Second aspect, Lordships may kindly know. One second. If the grievance was that I have to raise my voice against this sexual harassment of both father and son, she went there. She went there before the police, before the television channel, before the police station. Incidentally, one day before election. Nothing, but if a woman is to say, the first thing she would say was 376. That is again not explained at all. The third thing is, which Lordships may kindly note, is very interestingly she says, and this is something, Lord, which I have analyzed and I will leave it to Lordship's conscience. She says, my husband went on asking me whether the person in the video, alleged video, you were there, were you there? But I will only say this much more and I leave it to Lordship's imagination. Was it a case where she found herself in the video and she did not want to say that it was with consent? I leave it to that. Therefore, Lord, this is no explanation for several years, inconsistency insofar the statements are concerned, and there is a shared animosity as well between them. Now the FSL report, Lordship's mechanics.
Yes.
Yes. But I will try and be quick. I will not take long. First,
Yes.
seizure, requisition, seizure matter. But I'll have to give a brief background before your Lordships as to what was this FSL report all about. But they did not find any videos or anything from my phone. My lords may kindly, my phone. It was Karthik, my driver, my lord, who was summoned. And the lordships may kindly note this. They seized Samsung H. There are 3 phones involved. Samsung J4. There are 3 phones. I'll just narrate them by say Samsung J4 is the phone which they seized from Karthik, the driver. And in that phone, lords, they found some photographs. Photographs and videos. The explanation of Karthik is this Samsung J phone belonged to me. That is the petitioner. And that I did not want to use it. I had given it to him to be thrown away, but he used it. But then when he used to be working for me, he found that there were some videos present in another phone of mine. So when I was not present, he used to record those videos in his Vivo mobile phone. Vivo mobile phone.
All right.
And he says he lost that Vivo mobile phone. So what was available with the investigating agency was only one Samsung J phone, which originally did not contain anything. Now, my lords may kindly straight away see the questions which the investigating agency sent to the FSL for its report. Page 830. My lords may kindly see. 830 page number. But in that convenience compilation, kindly see page 63. I'll straight away take lordships to the questions not which was raised. 467. Compilation. No, 467. Compile questions. Question 10 and 11 about the videos of the victim and answer. Questions at charge sheet 467. Enclose ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Lord, may I request lordships to kindly see page 114.
Yes.
Please. Kindly see question number 8 and 9. 8 question. Whether the alleged individual victim seen in the video at path data so and so, does the visual content of the video fall file path so and so? These are the 2 questions. That is the alleged individual victim. As per our analysis of the charge sheet, he is the prosecutor herself. Kindly see the now the answers at my lords. Answer at page 1324. Answer to question number 8. (147) lordship. May I have lordships invite lordships attention to page 149, my lords.
Yes.
In 149, the after that serial number 15, my lord, I'll just read this paragraph. The facial features of female individual present in the video files, namely so and so.
One second.
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
The facial features of the female individual present in video files, namely so and so, of Samsung mobile phone marked as D1A are not properly visible since the facial features of the female individual are covered with hand. Are covered with hand of the same female individual. Hence, comparison of the same is not possible with respect to facial features of female individual present in the above mentioned image files. The woman's photo appearances is not visible. Obviously, I am not there at all in that. I am not there at all.
Come to page 143, sir.
143.
Of your convenience compilation, 1318 of the chart sheet.
Yes. That is voice of the not matched, they say.
No.
No, they say it's not matched. 132.
The above audio
Above mentioned
file
video-
sample speeches of the male speaker
Correct. It
said
can
to
Kannada
be of
language.
accused so and so in Kannada language. The transcribed words are perceived and are uttered 6 times in the audio file.
Correct,
140,
ma'am.
143.
Yes, yes, ma'am. The
No,
speaker
there,
said to be
that is,
accused.
study and A are uttered by the male speaker. These are not enough to
Correct, ma'am. The same is
match
not,
the word.
that's,
No,
so,
the second version is that it is,
not matched.
name is uttered 6 times.
No, what is uttered is study and A, not his name. Lordship, the only 2 words.
So
Study-
according to FSL is negative.
FSL is negative. A
Okay.
couple of other things, not I will
Yes.
not, but the further statements also show this is not even from Samsung Galaxy J4. Now, let's, I will, that is one other aspect, Lord. The phone was seized on 1st of May, 30th of April. It was sent to FSL on 1st of May. April. Correct. 30th April seizure, 30th May, this one, it runs contrary to the government of Karnataka circular, which says that FSL reports 15 days in order to
Anyway,
prevent
FSL is negative.
negative, but
All right.
otherly manipulation, mado possibilities, so etc. 1 month it remained with the investigating officer is
It's all
something.
right.
No,
Even,
I'm
even then it is negative.
negative.
Yes.
According to now, let's just quickly. I'll not. I'm conscious of the fact that Lord, I've taken more than the required time.
Yes.
Just 2 sentences, Lord. The phone, the alleged allegation that 66E, etc. It was not from my phone at all. They seized it from Karthik. Against Karthik, Lord, I had made an allegation in 2023. He had taken he was trying to morph and circulate. These are the factors, Lord, which Lordships may kindly note. But 2 judgments.
Morphing is said to be not proved in the
Not to be.
FSL.
ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. But
Morphing ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
my picture is not there at all. In my photograph is not. The lady's photograph is also not available. But one judgment I want to rely on. It's on 376 delay. Joseph, the number of judgments, only one judgment I'll rely, which may encapsulate the entire thing. Okay. Which is the Justice Joseph judge? Jayendra sir, no. Justice Joseph judge. Vijayan, which is that with the Talaipuli versus State of London? Huh? No. Prakash Chand. No. Yesterday just Joseph judge. Delay, we said.
ಕೊಡಿಯದು.
Please. It come. Yesterday just Joseph judgment he read.
Which in this?
This, I would request Lordship, just 1 minute.
There are about 9.
No, I'm not going to read all of them.
No, can't. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
I'll read only one. Just 1 second. Just 1 minute. That is Prakash Chand.
19/5/6/28.
Yes. Paragraph 71 to 80.
Para 20, sir.
71.
Para
Page
20.
20. Allah. Sorry, Mulad.
71 paragraph
I'm
six.
sorry, Mulad.
It's para 20.
Para 20 in page
Yes,
71.
yes. 7 months delay in lodging the
Otherly,
FIR.
the one distinction their lordships make is not they are cautious not to say mere delay, you don't shut out a prosecutrix in 376. But they add a caveat. I thought I must emphasize on that. Page 79 is the relevant portion, para 20. But in fact, may I request Lordships to permit me to read in fact, paragraph 6, I'm sorry, it's not para 20, it's para 6.
No, sir. Delay is at paragraph 20 only.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು in the facts of that case.
Facts are at paragraph 6.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
The
sir,
first
facts are-
question to consider was the impact of delay of 7 months is at paragraph 6.
6.
Answer is at para 20.
But
Yes.
one sentence not in para 6, I just want to read.
Yes.
The first question we have to consider is the impact of delay of nearly 7 months, 7 months in that case, in lodging the complaint with the police. The appellant seeks support mainly from the judgment of this court in so and so. The High Court in the impugned judgment has on the other hand relied upon so and so. Therein this court has essentially relied upon the principles about the impact of delay as noticed by it in the judgment of court in Tulsidas Kanolkar versus State of Goa, wherein rape was committed on a girl whose mental ability was undeveloped. This is what the court has to say about the fact of delay. In any event, delay per se is not a mitigating circumstances for the accused when accusation of rape are involved. Delay in lodging the first information report cannot be used as a ritualistic formula for discarding the prosecution case and doubting its authenticity. This is what next sentence is what I want to emphasize. It only puts the court on guard to search for and consider if any explanation has been offered for the delay. Once it is offered, the court is only to see whether it is a satisfactory or not. In a case, if the prosecution fails to satisfactorily explain the delay and there is possibility of embellishment or exaggeration in the prosecution version on account of such delay, it is a relevant factor. On the other hand, satisfactory explanation is weighing enough to reject the plea of false implication and false points. But the normal rule of delay being fatal
May not be applicable in every case.
not in every case. In some leverage is given in a case where a woman is ravished, but notwithstanding the consequences which would befall on the accused. Not only should there be an explanation, that explanation requires to be satisfactory. And my respectful submission before your lordships is, forget a satisfactory explanation. There is no explanation at all.
All right.
And on the contrary, the circumstances indicate that there was some sort of everybody was jumping, then I would join the bandwagon to make that accusation. But I will respectfully, without meaning any disrespect to the prosecutrix or the alleged victim in this case, only state this much before it. Two other factors, for the purposes of grant of bail, I must bring to lordship's notice. He has been in custody right from the time, lords, 30th of May. Charge sheet has now been filed. This is a relevant factor which my lords may kindly consider. But I must, in all humility, bring to lordship's notice that it is not that, lords, we are likely to go away. There is a family of persons, lords, we are grounded in the state. We are not likely to flee away from justice. This is one aspect. Along with, it's a family. So the question of I leaving the family or the state does not arise. Third factor, lords may kindly take into consideration is, lords, any conditions which lordships would feel is necessary. But any condition, we will abide it with all, lords, without scrupulously. Lastly, well,
No choice there.
No, I'll have to say that we will, lastly, I must bring to lordship's notice, the prosecutor, of course, the damage insofar as I am concerned is done. Beyond, I must state this, the kind of backlash we have, not only I have received, but the entire family has received, is something which I thought I must bring to lordship's notice. So this is insofar as 439 is concerned. Insofar as the other 438 is concerned.
Other 376, huh?
Otherly interesting. That is same 6 years later. And other one is 2 sentences, but I will not take lordship. She was, I'll just. Petition, second petition. I'll just give the dates. One day they'll come. Now they have filed charge sheet in that also. Alleged incident is 2021.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೊಂದು dates compilation ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Two factors I
ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೂ not like this convenience compilation, dates and events.
very late list of dates.
Dates and events, what?
Like what?
Not prepared?
No, I'll give.
Well, our-
It is my duty also.
It
to
is
give
his
We'll give it.
job, yes.
No, we'll give it.
Because otherwise,
Illa, I
we will have-
understand. I'm sorry, my lord.
otherwise it will go on till the cows come back.
Illa, I will
Yes.
not trouble your lords, not with that.
Yes.
I will give the list of dates. I must only say this, not here. The first information is again filed after 5 years. And she was a member of the Jilla Panchayat, Hassan Jilla Panchayat. She has had that.
So in every case, there is delay is your submission.
This is
All right.
delay is concerned. Idaralli FSL report, same thing, same FSL report is applicable here also.
All right.
ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
FSL matches ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is a fact. One thing I am on instructions, what I have to state before your lordships and our copy put. On 16th April, there is a Lok Sabha rally agoaga. She has accompanied me in the campaign also, madam. Lordships may permit. No, I'll have to bring to lordships notice the whole thing which has. Put none copy. The photograph, sir. Yeah, third page, lordships may kindly see. It's in Facebook account. Instagram account of the petitioner. It shows on 16th April. Not. Ali right hand side.
All right. The only lady sitting there.
Don't.
All right. Yes.
But I'm sorry, I could not give the list of dates. I'm extremely sorry. It was only, I thought not we'll narrate it.
No,
There is-
otherwise,
Allah, I'm sorry, but it is.
narration will go on
Other
as
ones,
I said
some-
till the
illa,
cows
no,
come
no.
back.
No, I only wanted to emphasize on the facts, not because allegation. There is third complaint, the next one. Otherly, there is no allegation of 376. Either more of circulation of videos. Anta, they have made me as an accused along with others. Insofar in that case is concerned, this honorable court has granted stay against the other accused.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Not to arrest anta ಮಾಡಿ. So adರಲ್ಲಿ there is no allegation of 376 or anything, 66 even.
Why is this not listed? This is Pritham Gowda. Why this petition is not listed?
ಅವ್ರು 482 ಹಾಕಿ.
It is quashing petition.
ಹೌದು. ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ their lordships record ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬೇಸಿ fundamentally. Litigation was against them. Of course, I was also.
No, you may be a part, but this man by circulation has
ಹೌದು.
put every woman in ignominy.
That is one thing, lords.
That is
ಹೌದು. That
it's
is most certainly, lord.
offense that is worse than
Anything else.
no, because every woman is put to ignominy by that circulation.
By that circulation.
And this allegation is against this man that he
ಹೌದು.
circulated.
Principally, he and 2 others. And
Get this petition, man.
and lords, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದು there is no role as such. I also, in fact, I am a victim. I had obtained injunctions. Same thing, same market. There is any other clarifications I'll do. Once again, I apologize. This should not have happened. List of dates.
Yes, sir.
We have filed detailed objections
All right.
to the petition.
Objections ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
All right.
Certain aspects which were not brought to the notice of the court, I have a duty to point out. Yes. Kindly come to the complaint that was lodged. Page 18. After the allegations against the father, the allegations against the petitioner start.
Second paragraph, page 19.
Page 18 itself.
18 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು.
No, there are allegations.
Yes.
All right. There are allegations of what has happened.
Yes.
He is on the aspect of delay.
On the question of delay,
Hmm.
my very respectful submission is that he was constantly threatening the victim.
Hmm.
And she was where she has given the details of the threat that was held out.
Hmm.
In the further statement that has been made,
Yes,
may I request the court to kindly permit me to show the further statement.
that is page 27, the 107 of the charge.
107.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 110.
Hmm. Yes.
ಸುಮಾರು 2020ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಬಸವನಗುಡಿಯ ಮನೆಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಂಜೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ಆಗ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ, ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸದ ರಾಕೇಶ್ನು ಇದ್ದನು. ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿಯೇ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಮರುದಿವಸ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಶಾಪಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವಂತೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದರು. ಶ್ರೀ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ ನಾವುಗಳು ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮಹಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅಕ್ಕ ಬರುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ ಅಂತ 2ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ನಾನು ರೂಮ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಫೋನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಾಗಿಲ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿರುಗಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ಚಲು ಬಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬೂಬು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೇಳದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕತೆ ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಚಿಲಕ ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಗ ನಾನು ಬೇಡ ಅಣ್ಣ, ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂಗ್ಲಾಚಿ ಬೇಡಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳದೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಂಚದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಳೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಈಗ ನಡೆದಿರುವ ವಿಚಾರ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಲೇ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಂಡನನ್ನು ಜೈಲು ಪಾಲು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದೇ ಗತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾಕುವುದು ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಾನು MP ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲು ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ನನಗೆ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ. ನಂತರ ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಜೀವ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದನು. ಈ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಣ್ಸೋರವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ರವರು ಜೀವ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. This is the way she has explained. Then next she has narrated what happened to her daughter at the hands of the petitioner. Now those facts are proved by FSL report has confirmed this aspect of the matter.
Which one?
The daughter's
FSL ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
With daughters it proves.
daughterದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಡಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes.
So it is at that point of time, and in the last paragraph, page 111, I have explained why at this point of time I have come forward to file the complaint. So delay is fully explained. There is no hide and seek. It is mainly on account of the threat held out by the petitioner that the petitioner had come.
That FSL.
Hmm?
FSL.
FSL ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು?
Page 1327.
1327,
The chart.
volume 3.
1327.
Volume 3.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. Page 152 of the convenience compilation.
1326 ಇಂದಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
1326 ಇಂದಲೇ. Bottom, the facial features of female individual present in image files mentioned above.
Are similar with respect to, yes.
Yes,
All right.
are similar with respect to
And of
facial.
the petitioner?
Petitioner though,
All right.
He is the one who recorded.
no, this is to show that these are records made by him, petitioner. It is from that record, this information is retrieved, this data is retrieved. Now kindly come to the next page. The system generated facial feature comparison reports are enclosed, etc. The facial features of female individual present in image files mentioned above from serial number 1 to 3 are similar with respect to facial features of the female individual present in video file, so and so. The system generated facial feature comparison reports are enclosed, etc.
All right.
So so far as the identity of the victim is concerned, now it was in darkness that the photo was shot. The genuineness of the video is established. That is proved. What is stated is it is difficult to say whether it is the same lady whose features are seen. But it has not been negative. What is important to note is it has not been negative. So with this, the direct statement of the victim is sufficient to implicate the
It's implicated. There's on bail, charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
charge sheet.
ಅಲ್ಲ. He has submitted for his enlargement on bail.
Enlargement on bail,
Hmm.
3 aspects have to be taken note of. Number 1, already court has noticed the efforts that were made to silence the victims. Secondly, this man himself had ran away from the country. He's a flight risk. And third and most important factor is he has not yet surrendered his phone.
Surrendered his?
Phone,
By what investigation did you do then? Which phone?
his own phone. He has not given it to us in spite of this thing. He has withheld the phone which contains all this information. And it is
No,
only
it
from
may
the
contain
surrounding
something
cir-
else also. That's a different thing.
No. My learned friend made a statement. Nothing is recovered from my phone.
My phone ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
My phone ಅಂತ.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. I'll just recollect what he phone not give.
Sorry, let's clarify. The phone was got from Karthik. My phone in the they have not taken. They have not asked for my phone.
Not asked.
Now I am.
No, not asked. I can give the interrogation details that he refused to give the phone. He said he doesn't have the phone. That is how it is.
That's not the reason why the photo is not on the pen. She covered her face in the hand.
Yeah.
He is committing that.
Yeah, in fact, out of shame, the lady has covered her face by her hand. That is one reason why the identity not be established. And the list of authorities I have given.
ಕೊಡಿ sir. Yes.
Give them a copy.
Yes, sir.
ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾ? The paragraphs are marked.
Paragraphs are marked?
Marked.
Yes, sir.
All the relevant paragraphs are. The 7 factors to be considered. All of them are existing directly against the.
All right.
So he is not entitled to bail. And more importantly, the trial court has exhaustively
That I have seen.
considered every aspect of the argument that was advanced and has cogently answered. So for these reasons, I very respectfully submit.
FSL matches with the screen.
Hmm?
On bathroom, bathroom.
One request, kindly take the
Volume 4, page 1866.
last volume of the
1866,
1863, man.
63.
Yes.
I am there, yes.
The
Page
photograph-
178 of the compilation.
Photo frames of the.
yes. 1863.
Hmm.
Various photographs of
The
frames found
the
in the.
photographs,
These were present in the mobile?
yes. And more importantly, the ceiling and other surrounding areas that are captured in the mobile are the same as the bathroom or bedroom.
Comparison is here.
His bathroom, the petitioner's bathroom. Now that is established. FSL report has,
You had sent the pictures of the bathroom.
yes.
Mistaken to see.
The scene of crime, Panchanama was done,
Yes.
and the relevant photographs of the scene of occurrence was also sent to FSL. All of them have been established convincingly that it is in his bathroom. All these photographs were taken and the event has come.
Yes.
Please.
Ashton, anything else? Hmm.
So fact,
Photographs taken from her mobile phone, going in my house, apparently, is what they say, as I have understood.
no, sorry.
Screenshot found in the.
It is the screenshot found is non-photograph,
Hmm.
I'm sorry. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ದು
Huh? No, senior is that. Senior, what is this? Hmm.
please.
That before lordship's rights.
Hmm.
That list of dates.
This tomorrow.
In order to assist the court in looking at the relevant incriminating material, may give a list of
Yes.
pages as well as the.
Yes, yes. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬೇರೆನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದಲ್ದೇನೆ
ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ
Material, yes.
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು
Put that page number.
ರೈಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಸಿಂಗ್
Yes.
that's all. Hmm.
In the next case also, the charge sheet has been filed.
Hmm.
So that
ಅಲ್ಲ we'll see same
But-
facts.
but
Third
please.
case is only with regard to circulation.
please,
354.
You are also an accused there? Heard reserved.
please.
All three.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಐದನೇ ಮಾಡಿ serial number.
2, 3 and 5.
5, 2, 3.
Yes.
ಅದೆರಡನ್ನು 438.
ಎರಡು anticipatory ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. This is regular bail.
Please.
All are rejected by the court.
All are rejected by.
ಅದೇ 2 or 439 ಎರಡು ಅದೇ ಎರಡು anticipatory ಒಂದು regular.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು
ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
34.
34.
Allari. Petitioner is the same. Huh?
Which father or son?
Father is the.
Father, ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Very well.
ಇವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಲ್ಲ. Let it come, mothers are waiting. Yes. Yes, because I took this for this length of time only because it is bail. Washing idre, I would not have heard this much. Yes.
Very good.
Number 4.
Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Defer. Heard the learned senior counsel. ಏನಿದೆ offense? 171F ಹಾರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು JCB ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. I heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on 26th. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings where the petitioners till the next date of hearing. Yes. Next.
Bill number 6.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಲ್ಸಿ. What is this? ನೀವೇನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. What is this?
Statement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
She is a housewife. She is not in politics also. ಎದ್ರು politics ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what is this that who has given this statement?
Husband of the petition, respond number 2.
Huh.
It was totally uncalled for him to make such
ನಿಮಗೆ
statement.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಿದು?
It was said, it was attributed to him. Now she takes upon herself that the half Pakistan means Ardhangi anta judge has interpreted now
Where is it interpreted?
by the learned judge. Page.
Why
18.
why do you have to talk all this?
Lords, it was in response
What
to,
in response?
Lords, I understand. There is two
Talk
wrongs will
whatever
not,
comes to your mind.
two wrongs will not make one right.
No, that's all right. Half Pakistan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? Why did you want to say that?
Lord, it was because her husband, now I am not trying to,
It's all right, sir. You can't dub a particular community to be that.
no, Lords,
They are here.
Lords, I never said, my Lords,
Not
what
the
I
way.
clarified is that what I meant is the party itself, no malice to the
Party
respondent.
itself ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Allah, I clarified on the next day.
Where is the
The
clarification?
clarification are not placed. But
Where is the clarification ಕೊಡಿ?
that's part of the public domain, my Lords, I have not placed it on record. My Lord, the procedural irregularities,
Procedure we will see, sir. What is this? Every case I have been telling, I have been seeing this
Lords,
is not
we have-
correct.
we have done.
What is the use of mudslinging each other, sir?
No, my Lords, Lordship did express on the other day,
Then
other matters also. My Lord, the sworn statement was recorded.
no, just because somebody's wife is a Muslim, can you dub that
No, no.
as half
Lords,
Pakistan?
it was never meant.
What is this, sir?
It was never meant to be.
This is
respond
not the way.
Lords,
This is not the way to talk.
Lords, it was in response. I am not trying to justify anything, my Lords. I am just holding.
Not correct, sir.
Lords, please see paragraph page 5, my Lords. The page 5, the statement of respond number 2's husband.
ಏನು?
Respond number 2's husband.
Respond number 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Sorry, respondent,
Ah.
sole respondent.
Ah.
Her husband, my Lords, at paragraph 4B, page 5.
Paragraph?
My Lords, page 5, my Lords, Your Lordship, of the petition. Paragraph 5, page B. My Lord, this is a statement made by him. That was in a public domain.
Hmm.
My Lords, in response, it was something said by me, was to him, my Lords. It was never
Have
intended.
you said this statement or not?
My Lords, I have.
Yes.
My Lords, it was in response to the statement made by respondent's husband.
What is the statement made by respondent?
My Lords, please take page
Respondent
5.
husband.
Page 5, respondent's husband.
1 minute.
Page 5, my Lords, so paragraph 4B of my petition, which I have extracted in the bold letters.
ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
NIA ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ.
Thereafter, my Lords, he says,
ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೂ
And why do you go personal, sir?
no, there is nothing.
ಕಾಪಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್.
No, he has
ಇದು
volunteered.
ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
No, my friend has volunteered. That is good, my Lords. I'm serving a copy.
Let him, sir. I will not stay this for now.
My lords, 1 second.
No, sir.
1 second.
Cognizance ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
My lords, your lordship may.
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದೇ ತಪ್ಪಿರೋದು. That's the whole problem. Yes.
My lords,
ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
stones.
File your objections.
My lord, tomorrow is the
ಏನು?
appearance.
Appear. Yes.
My lords,
Appear,
the
sir.
statement, my lords, I understand what is going on in your lordship's mind, my lords. Not as if, my lords,
Correct, sir.
I'm not sensitive about what your lordships are expressing.
Every case I'm seeing. Should encourage restraint and the been
Lord,
telling. So anyway, I'm not here to advise.
No, no.
It's a different thing.
What from our
But we
end,
will uphold whatever is there.
my lords, whatever I had. But my lords, apart from, my lords, what is the merits and the demerits? Not the cognizance order, they have to redo it. They have
It has to go back and it should be redone.
Yes. My lords, if my-
Cognizance order is not correct.
let it be sent back, my lords, for reconsideration. We'll come back again.
State on ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. ನೀವೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ.
Let it be sent back, my lords, with the direction.
Cognizance order is not correct. It has to be redone. That is all that is there in the case. You want to file your objections, you file your objections. Ultimately, that will be the order. We'll direct the court to redo the exercise. Yes, Ahmad sir.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿ.
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Where is the order of cognizance?
My lords, page 19.
ಇದು 499, 500 ತಾನೆ?
It's
Straight away attracts. It's not 153A.
No,
This is why defamation cases are on the rise. Why election ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
my lord, the sworn statement was recorded on 31/7/2024.
Hmm.
My lords, cognizance was taken on 29/8/2024. My lords, under
31/7/2024 sworn
the
statement.
statement,
Cognizance.
29/8/2024 at page 19. Under CRPC, my lords, 200. First cognizance, then my lords.
That's
sworn
all.
statement.
Yes.
That's a ground on which-
BNSS is slightly
Little different,
different.
your lordships.
We'll send it back.
Well.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Remand ಮಾಡಿ, let him redo it. Yes, that's.
BNS ಬರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಬರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 200 ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
200
ಇರೋದು. BNSS ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. While taking cognizance,
Yes, my lord, your
no,
lordships.
the
Lordships.
accused has to be heard ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೊಂದು
Lordships
ರಿಸರ್ವ್
have-
ಮಾಡಿದೆ, we'll
yeah.
write that. Whether it is, this will send it back.
Very
Procedural aberration. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ I will begin to confirm everything.
not yes.
It's not correct. Don't go individual, sir. And what a statement you have made. It's dubbing every person like,
No,
not
it
correct.
was in. Just. Lords, may I make one indulgence, your lordships? The other contents may be kept open, my lords.
All contentions will be left open.
Yes, great.
We are there. Yes.
Great.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We'll release it on Monday.
Very well.
Much.
Yes, Ahmad sir. Next.
7.
Petitioner in this case, only 420 related complaints, these lots of the occurrence.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ appear ಆಗಿರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ.
Dated event, these lots of the year 2014 to 2015.
ಯಾರು ಸೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ?
ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ,
ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ? 66 lakhs ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
66 crores.
66 crores ಅದು. Lakhs ಅಲ್ವಾ?
That is the allegation, please, my lord, that was made.
65 crores, 17 lakhs.
Plus, what he says is in the complaint is certain stipend plus check lots are taken away from by us. That is what we mean. Which doctor's stipend I have taken, what check I have issued, no material is coming from. And I produced all lots the balance sheet, please, lots of us. So this is a society, please, my lord. We cannot do transact my lords in the manner in which it is alleged in the complaint. All the balance sheets, my lord, we have produced, please, my lord, the stipends are.
ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
No, under investigation.
Under investigation.
The
Crime came to be registered on
You
5/5/2024.
produce the investigation papers.
Yes,
Lords,
registered only 1 month.
listed this identical matters, my lords, on 26th.
26th. We'll list this also on 26th. Produce the investigation papers.
Please pass on the, it has to be clubbed at 9138 and 937.
All right, number kodi, barkodi. Tag this petition along with so and so list on 26th, learned additional SPP to secure and produce investigation papers on the next date. Yes.
Lords, what stipend has been paid, my lords?
Let me see the investigation. Let me see the allegation is of 65 crores. I thought lakhs, crores.
Look, that's what we- Numbers can be, my lords, added up and my lords crystallized.
We'll see whether offenses should be added up or numbers. Yes.
We have already paid, my lords, and that is declared.
Let the investigation papers come, sir. 26th, tag the petition. Mahesh, prayer ಅಲ್ಲಿ offense ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Where is the offense? I have to search everything. Prayer ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Brief facts ಅಲ್ಲ, prayer ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ offense ಏನು? Then list after 2 weeks. ಏನ್ agreed ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗ ಹಾಕದೊಂದು. Yes, one additional SPP. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
Election office.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋಣ, ನೀವೇ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? One additional, additional SPP accepts notice for both the respondents. List the matter after 4 weeks interim order. There shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings square the petitioners to the next date of hearing. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ same 8 and 9.
Orders number 10.
Hearing for appeals, my lord. No steps taken, notice served.
I'm already respondent. I already tenders. File a wakalat also respondent.
ಏನಿದು?
The defamation case, acquittal judgment. They challenge the complainant before this honorable court.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, appeal, acquittal
ಇಲ್ಲ,
appeal.
we'll
Acquittal
hear it.
appeal.
Yes.
That already appears, respondent wakalat already filed.
Furnishing of the learned, the registry to delete the indication of non-furnishing of PF as the respondent 1 to 4 already in, is already represented. List the matter on 24th October. Yes. Next.
11.
I have filed the wakalat, my lord, in the counter.
Prefer a short accommodation to comply with the officer.
Check bounce case, my lord. NBW is issued not appearing before the trial court.
When
Short accommodation may be.
do you
granted.
appear before the court?
Please, ma'am.
Yes. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent, Rakesh Bhatt submits that NBW issue ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
NBW is issued, my lord.
NBW
26/9
is issued on account of the petitioner not appearing before the court. The petitioner shall appear before the concerned court on the next ensuing date and ensuing date. List the matter after 2 weeks. Yes, next.
12.
I feel for the petitioner.
Non-compliance of office objections.
Complaint it on. 5/9 ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Finally, a week's time is granted to comply with the office objections, failing which the petition would be dismissed for its non-prosecution. List on 26th. Next.
27th, 26th.
20, okay?
I'll be out of state.
26th, yes, next.
ಅಲ್ಲ 26th or 27th.
Comply ಮಾಡಿ first.
Aye.
Yes, next.
30.
No representation list after 4 weeks. Next.
14.
One submission.
14th, I am for the petitioner, my lord, in this case. I may be permitted to withdraw the petition, my lord, with liberty to file a fresh petition. Because there is some
Learned
compromise.
counsel for the petitioner, Shri Shankarappa submits that he may be permitted to withdraw the petition and file a fresh petition on the same cause of action. Permission so sought is granted. The petition is disposed as withdrawn on the said submission and reserving such liberty. In
Naturally.
Urgent notice.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ
Non-compliance, no representation.
serial number 7.
7 ಅಲ್ಲ, 17 ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
Sorry.
Yes. emergent notice ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, next. Which matter? 13. Where were you? Yes, comply with the office objections. List on 26th, office objections to be complied with in the meantime. Yes.
This complaint is already given.
Yes, madam. Huh?
He's given a short date maybe.
26th. Yes. Office objections comply ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ. ವಾ. ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೋರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes.
Council submission may be accepted. Council submission may be accepted.
Accepting the submission to the council, so and so, list 26th.
Interim order may be extended.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? Agar I will not accept this.
But already, my lords, on the first day itself, my lord, the council submission was made. Steps had accepted. The order sheet will bundle.
Registry to delete the indication of office objections. List the matter on 20 October ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲೇ 24th October. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes.
Great.
16. Case I'm appearing for petitioner, my lords. R2 is the flying squad, my lords.
Serve on ನೀವೇ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? Learned additional SPP accepts notice for the second respondent as well. Therefore, the service of notice stands complete. List on 24th October.
Copy is not.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Copy kodi.
Okay.
Petitioner to serve set of papers upon the learned additional SPP forthwith. Next.
20.
The respondent.
499 file.
May be permitted to file my objections, my lord.
Madi. List on 26th objections.
Please.
Learned counsel Sudarshan seeks a week's time.
No, my objections are ready, my lords. I may be.
Seeks a week's time to
Please,
file
my lord.
statement of objections. Objections will be filed by the next date. List on 26th.
Please, my lord.
Interim order, yeah? Next 26th, yes.
15.
ಫಾರ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Order sheet ಇಲ್ವಾ ಏನು?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Petitioner
AFR ಅಂತ
submits
ಇದಾಗಿದೆ.
the office objections have been complied with. Office to verify. List the matter on,
ಅಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್
list the matter on 26th. Yes, next.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅವತ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Okay.
Yes.
18. Sorry, 19.
No representation, 2 weeks to comply with the office objections.
20.
ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್
Office objections.
ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Panel advocate serve ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್.
No, no, ED ಮುಂಚೆನೆ serve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. That's the circular of the High Court as well.
Please.
Both the cases. ಏನ್ predicate offense ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓ ಧಾರವಾಡದ್ದು.
ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
Right.
ಆಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
Serve on Madhukar Deshpande.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
The
Same is
learned
there.
senior counsel, Ms. Shesha appearing for the petitioner. The learned, the 26th ಬರ್ಲಿ urgency ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Office, accepting the submission, office objections stand overruled. The serve on Madhukar Deshpande because advance notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, advance serve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Petitioner to serve on Madhukar Deshpande, counsel representing the enforcement directorate.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 58.
All right, ಅದ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ. 20, list on 26th, next week.
21.
Same.
22.
Page 86 man. Page 86 covered.
Page
86 man.
covered.
Covered by it.
ಏನ್ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆನಾ?
ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. Yes, page 86, next.
23.
Books. This is going to take some time. We will hear it another day. Because your 345 reference is there. I'll have to finish the second list also.
May I make one request, madam?
Yes, sir.
The matter were to be adjourned, my lord, to next Thursday.
Huh.
The board of the court is overloaded. ಅದು ಒಂದು Friday ಅಥವಾ Wednesday ಆ ತರ ಯಾವ ತರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Ah,
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್.
Otherwise ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ
I'm ready. I'm ready anytime. Only one request.
Yes,
May I
sir.
request the court kindly see the act for a minute.
ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ. ಹಾ
One
ಎಸ್
second.
ಸರ್.
Section 35 my can.
ಎಸ್ 1 year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Allah.
Huh?
Prosecutrix evidence has to be recorded
ಹೌದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್.
after taking cognizance within a month.
ಅಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಾವು ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
No,
let
no,
the
if-
prosecutrix
No, let us not jumble it up. I'll hear it and close it.
because
Next Friday we'll do it.
otherwise it amounts to staying the statute itself
No.
because the interim order is so worded.
But I have
Oh.
asked for the quashing of the first information report,
No, no, no.
not the proceedings before the magistrate.
That's all right. Even then, sir, it's a statute.
Yeah.
We are excising.
I respectfully agree.
226 and 482
I very
fountainhead of all the statute.
No, I very respectfully agree, but statutes are never stayed as a matter.
Statute is not stayed.
Not stayed,
Action under the
but the
statute is stayed.
effect of it is,
That's not.
therefore, we have made an application.
It would any.
Allah, if it is heard,
any statutory.
no, if it is heard this side of the vacation, all that
we
is
will
all my
hear it
prayer.
and dispose it.
That is all my prayer.
But statutory prescription.
That is all my prayer.
Lala, a statutory
Oh, my lord,
prescription
in fact,
cannot be entertained by this court. No, sir.
And I said, my lord, I am ready since
No,
my
I have
lord has
no
said
time
it.
today.
That is why I said
No, no,
next
no.
Thursday, because the board of the court will be overloaded. Either give us a date on Wednesday or Friday ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು
Friday.
Any day,
Friday,
ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
Friday we'll take it post lunch.
tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow, sir. Next Friday, 27th.
Very well.
27th
At 2:30,
at 2:30.
please.
27th at 2:30. Sir.
Please.
Yes.
Interim order to continue.
Interim
All the
order
three cases.
interim order subsisting will continue till the next day. Yes.
ಕೂಡ it may take.
24 ಇದು.
34 my letter.
That is a legal issue. Your lordship may recall to your lordship's memory.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಈಗ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
5 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'll reach there. Yes.
It may not take more than 2 minutes in that case.
1 minute. But I'll take 5 minutes to reach. Yes.
Respondent, my lord.
Appear for
Yes, sir.
appellant's counsel. But this is a complainant's appeal.
24, my lord.
Complainant's appeal, my lord.
appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Defamation, appeal against acquittal.
Stay ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು
Additional document last.
acquittal, against acquittal.
Complainant's appeal.
Complainant's appeal,
List on 24th October.
formally admit it and post for.
Admit, list on 24th for final hearing. Yes. 24th October. 24th ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24th October, madam. Yes.
25.
Would I appear for the respondent?
Petitioner.
ಹಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. I have myself directed registration of criminal case against you. Anything else? I told you on the last occasion, finally I am granting. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದು? 2018. Anything else, sir? Not reserved. ಕೊಡಿ. I have myself directed criminal case to be registered. 18 ಇಂದ 24 ವರೆಗೂ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. What happened to that? My judgment, they have challenged. Supreme Court ಹಾಕಿದಾರ? Stay ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
Even now its staring is there.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಯ್ತು.
Following my lord Rajiv Kapoor's case, where my lord 482, because once there is a prima facie case.
Yes, anything else, Irshad? 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ we will not permit any time. Yes, next.
26.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಹೇಳಿ. ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ? Because of Justice Gopalna ಅವ್ರ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಹೌದಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನು ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Liberty was reserved to prosecute. Justice my lord Abdul Nazir Sahib order.
It is simple. Justice Gopalna ಅವ್ರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Supreme Court sent it back not to be influenced by the earlier order to reconsider it. I have affirmed that and said criminal case should be registered against you.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
please.
Sir.
Kindly see.
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Order in election petition. There is a specific issue regarding prosecution. Election petition. For that, the court has given a verdict. Page number 92 of the petition.
92.
92. Issue number 7 is regarding the initiation of prosecution. Hence, no specific order has made on issue number 7 and 8. There is no specific order to initiate criminal prosecution. In election petition, there is no such order.
All right.
Kindly come to FR.
94.
Page number 10.
Page number?
10. FR. The complaint is at annexure B. Page number 14. Page number 14.
Yes.
The inspector of civil right enforcement, Polar, is the complainant. He has filed a complaint.
All right.
Whereas he doesn't have any authority to file a complaint. There is a specific procedure in Act. Can you see? Rule 7.4.
Madam, book kodi. Blue book kodi. SC/ST Act.
Rule 7A.
Before that, section 5A, section 5 and 5A. Section 5A. Penalties for obtaining false caste certificate or income certificate. Whoever has obtained a caste certificate by furnishing false information, filing a false statement, any other fraudulent method shall on conviction be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months, but which may extend up to 2 years, and with fine which shall not be less than 1,000 rupees, but which may extend upon 5,000 rupees. This is special enactment meant for issuance of caste certificate. No prosecution has been initiated under this act. When special enactment occupied field, the respondents are not authorized to initiate prosecution and other causes. Then this is section 6, alleged cognizance of offense. No prosecution for an offense under this act shall be instituted except by or with the sanction of the state government. No sanction has been obtained in this case. Sanction under CRPC is bere. Sanction under this act is bere. It's mandatory on their part. Further, let me see rule 7. Rule 7.
Odi.
Rule 7, 4, sub-rule 4. The role of civil right enforcement directorate will come only in the issuance of caste verification certificate. It's a assisting body, the district caste verification committee. As per rule 7, where the committee, even up to the inquiry referred to sub-rule 2, find that the claim is doubtful and is not in a position to come to a conclusion, it shall refer the matter to the district caste verification committee, director of civil right enforcement, for detailed investigation and report.
It's only assisting body to the.
So
caste.
according to you, the
Let me.
complainant did not have the authority to file
For
the complaint.
For the LEC section 7A, rule 7A.
Hmm.
Prosecution for obtaining false caste certificate.
Hmm.
The caste verification committee or the caste income verification committee, as the case may be, and the divisional commissioner shall send a copy of the order rejecting claim of the applicant for grant of validity certificate, or as the case may be, a copy of the order in appeal rejecting such claim to the director of suit. The director of suit shall take steps to prosecute such claimant who has obtained a false caste certificate.
Yes.
My humble submission is, the Civil Right Enforcement Directorate does not have authority to make a complaint. The second respondent registered the complaint. He also does not authorize to register complaint. They have to obtain a sanction. They have not obtained. The district caste verification committee as well as the appellate authority has to send a copy.
Yeah.
Thereafter, the director of civil right enforcement has to seek a sanction.
Hmm.
The second respondent does not have authority to file a complaint.
All right.
Second thing is, similar circumstances case has been
Yav similar circumstance.
page number 8 synopsis.
Page number 18, synopsis.
Page 8.
Synopsis judgment.
Yes.
Tilakar Prakash. Para 8.
Hmm.
In view of the aforesaid enunciation of law, it is evident that the inquiry in the caste certificate has to be made by the director of civil enforcement on the basis of reference.
Inquiry.
ಹೌದು.
All right. Hmm.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, even on sumoto they can't even receive a complaint and they can't conduct inquiry.
All right.
Thereafter, a dishonorable court in criminal petition number 6087 on 17 January 2018, para 3.
Hmm.
Rule 7A categorically states
Justice Harish Kumar.
Rama Bovi. Next one.
Rama Bovi.
Page number 12.
Hmm. All right. Amale.
Rule 7A categorically states that caste verification committee or the caste and income verification committee, as the case may be, and the divisional commission shall send a copy of the order rejecting the.
I guess these will not be applicable in the light of the finding for registration of the crime. Let's see. I'll go through it and answer.
Page number, para 4. The above said procedure appears to have not been followed insofar as this case is concerned. Therefore, without following such procedure, the police cannot register or investigate such cases.
All right.
And securing caste certificate or allegations of false caste certificate does not fall under section 319 of the Atrocities Act. This elaborate judgment has been passed.
Right. Amal.
There's also, and when the procedure has been prescribed, the authorities has to be adhered to the procedure and they have to obtain a sanction. Thereafter only they can initiate the prosecution.
Hmm.
This is the legal position. They have not followed any legal mandate. Without following a legal mandate, they can't initiate impeachment proceedings. Hence, impeachment proceedings are bad in law, liable to be prosecuted.
Yes, sir.
Lord,
No,
as my lords are aware, he was changing his color like a chameleon. Earlier occasion, my lord, in 2013, the coordinate bench of this court has given liberty to the state government to prosecute. May I pass on this? Leonard Fund has applied reservation in supplying the copy to me. I don't know.
That is,
Let me give a
state
copy.
government can make it. They have to obtain sanction for that.
Sanction.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Withdrawal. ಓ ಇವ್ರದೇನಾ?
There.
ಇವ್ರದೇನಾ?
That's why I used word, my lord, the chameleon. Often went to the Supreme Court, though there is a direction as my lords have added in my lord the writ petition. The division by my lord of the District Caste Verification Committee has annulled the certificate. He misled the Supreme Court, again got referred.
The Supreme Court?
Yes, again, matter was referred to the DCVC. DCVC, as my lord, reiterated the same and held that he does not belong to Buduga Jangama, on the other hand, he belongs to Bairagi. But now look at his stand, my lord. He went on changing his color. Ultimately, my lords have held that he has literally.
That has become final.
Final. That order has not
Then
been
challenge
challenged.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಇರ್ಷಾದ್? My order.
It's not challenged.
ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
Cold storage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ.
ನಾನು
Stay ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ grant me small accommodation.
No accommodation. 2018 sir, nothing doing.
ಅಲ್ಲ
At the last occasion, my lord, I submitted that virtually it amounts to allowing a thief to stolen a property.
ಆಯ್ತು.
I reiterate.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Because since he has
It
stolen the
will
constitution,
amount to allowing the thief to retain the stolen
property.
All.
Together the court should be a silent spectator in this matter. Supreme Court has said
ನಾನು
Gita's case.
silent ಆಗಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Yes.
Gita's case, Supreme Court has said it should be stopped with a strong hand.
That I don't know. We'll see. Supreme
No, no,
Court
no.
hands are strong.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಾನೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್.
Please, my lord.
ನನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಸಂಬಿಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಏ
ತಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಆರ್ಡರ್
ಅದು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
1 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ.
1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಲಿ.
ಇನ್ನು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಸರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಯಾವಾಗ? ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
There should be a lesson, my lord. You should send a
No,
signal
no
to the society.
No. 2018 matter.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ everyone want to wear the sherwani. Nobody want to undergo.
ಪರೇಶಾನಿ. ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes. Reserved. Yes.
My lords, for the petitioner, I seek for short accommodation, my lords.
ಏನಿದು?
My lords, they have filed the additional charge sheet now. I need to amend the petition, my lord. That's the reason I need.
List on 26th.
My lords, interim order may be
What interim order is granted?
not to precipitate in the civil court, my lords.
ಹೌದಾ?
Interim order is there.
My lords, is it 27, my lords?
No, sir.
Sorry.
I have said no further adjournment will be granted in the matter.
My lords, we have received the additional charge sheet, my lord. I need to amend the
List on 26th in the fresh matters list.
interim order may be extended.
Interim protection granted shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Apply.
Yes.
Petitioner of the connected first. 171B, 171E, last.
Please, my lords. Hearing 27.1.
Dealing ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. List the matter on 24th October. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
28.
Same order.
Please, Lord, I appear for the petitioner.
Next, yes.
29.
The petitioner is
Same
an
order.
accused number 16.
Stay there. Yes.
28, I am.
Yes, next.
30.
I appear for respondent, my lords. Council on record is not keeping well, my lords.
30.1, I am the petition. It is nowhere connected to the 30.
Not connected?
But the voter presented a private complaint
Ah.
for the offence punishable under 125A. Now, Lordship said last time that voter cannot maintain a private complaint. And based on the interim order, my lords, a similar point is issued involved in both the cases. So therefore, my lord, the matter was.
Only we are complainant.
30.1 ನಲ್ಲಿ I am.
Complainant.
Interim order ಕೊಡುವಾಗ their lordships have relied upon that R.V. Deshpande versus State of Karnataka to say.
Not my interim order.
Not
earlier,
lordship,
yes.
Section 125A complaint cannot be filed by private complaint is what they have said, but that judgment doesn't say so. In fact, it says more that it is maintainable. That is the only point not which lords.
We have engaged the senior counsel.
For maintainability.
30.1.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yeah, 24th.
Yes, that is the only point.
Heard so and so ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. List on 24th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Sorry for interruption. If I can make one small submission, bro.
Interim order extend ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Not only that, bro. 28 ಅಲ್ಲಿ connected 4 petitions were disposed of by lords, bro. This also
Those
similar.
matters. ಇದೊಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. If a short date can be given, bro, I'll place that order on record.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, next.
31.
Okay, this is a second FIR.
Madras High Court.
Yes, yes.
Last time ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes.
I just pass on this. So.
We'll just follow this and close it. The petitioner. Yes, Jagdish. Objection, serious objection idea. The petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so. The offences alleged against this petitioner accused number 4 was the one that was alleged in a crime so registered within the jurisdiction of Madurai city. The High Court of Madras has by its order dated 5/9/2024 quashed the proceedings by the petitioner. Since the offences are identical and has sprang out of the same incident, I deem it appropriate to follow the same and close the petition by the petitioner. The High Court of Madras has so held, in which court Marbudi, I am in respectful agreement with what the High Court of Madras has held. So and so quashed. Next.
32.
Yes. For the petitioner.
Kaveri Galate.
ಕಾವೇರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಲಾರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕದು? Pleading guilty is showing that yes, he has committed some act. He was not even there.
ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? Pleading guilty is not correct. Unless he is there and yes, he has committed the offense. Yes, not there. Yes, we'll close it on 26th. List on 26th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. 32, 33. Next.
4.
The same complaint, huh?
ಹೌದು, same complaint, ಇದು quashing.
The quashing petition.
Quashing petition.
Madam, basically on the question of limitation, lordship may recall to your lordship.
I know, it's for stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Stay ಇದೆ.
Record for the proceedings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿನ.
Stay ಇದೆ. But short question ಮೇಲೆ dispose ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Subject to my lord's time.
Right, we'll answer those bail petitions first. Stay ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 26 ಅದು 27ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬೇಕು.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
27ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. List on 20.
Last time ತಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತು, same complaint.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಬರೋ it does not apply in the facts of this. Anyway.
ಗೊತ್ತು that because it has 506 part B.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
468 is not applicable.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Well, 506 is a non-cognizable offense.
Correct.
For the policeman or the officer in charge of a police station to register a crime. Under 155, my lord, the non-cognizable offense has to go along with the cognizable offense.
Yes.
Cognizable offense is the head and the non-cognizable offense is the time.
All right.
If he can't or he could not have registered the crime at all for cognizable offense, the question of he registering the crime for a non-cognizable offense may not be there at all. That would be my submission.
No. See, if you are on that footing, 155(4) takes care. When there is cognizable and non-cognizable amalgam, 155(4) does not require magistrate's permission. Straight away, crime can be registered.
Quite right. If it were to go along with a cognizable offense.
506 part B is a cognizable offense.
Is a non-cognizable offense. That is the notification issued by the state government in 2011.
Then we'll have to see that.
Please.
Yes, because it is 7 years and above.
Non-cognizable in 2011 January,
Hmm.
the Karnataka government has issued a notification, my lord, making it a non-cognizable offense.
See,
Anyway, it doesn't matter.
27.
Please, please.
List on heard so and so, list on 27th. ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
2:30 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
2:30 ಅಂತ 27 2:30
2:30.
because this is short point, we'll close it.
Even on merits also ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2 sentence ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಡಿಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. The same complaint ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ what we have seen.
After 4.5 years, the complaint for an offense under such, well, the maximum punishment that could be imposed.
3 years.
3 years.
354.
Well, our cognizance alla, even for the purpose of registration of a crime itself, there is a bar under section 468. It is not for the purpose
Does
of
not
taking
apply.
That
cognizance.
will cease. That will cease. We'll answer that.
And ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿ.
No, that's all.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 506 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. On that
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
short ground it has to
ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ
go. It has to go on that short ground.
All right.
Anyway, I'll make.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಹೌದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
All right.
And ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
Very
354 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Charge sheet is only for 354.
He can't take cognizance at all, even otherwise. Forget about registration of the crime. The IO has registered the crime at Titkona. Investigation is over. Final report is filed. Magistrate is precluded from taking cognizance.
That will, we'll answer that.
Please. Interim order make it.
That will continue.
Idರಲ್ಲಿ there's one issue, my lord, that I think by oversight magistrate has already taken cognizance, though your lordships are directed to defer the proceedings.
ಅದೇಗೆ?
I think it was properly not communicated to him. It was
Communication gap.
It is learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that the direction to defer the proceedings is ignored by oversight and cognizance is taken by the concerned court. Therefore, no further proceedings shall happen before the
that we
concerned
have
court
communicated.
till the next date of hearing.
No, we have ourselves made it clear that we should not proceed.
Birdly order.
Yes.
List on 27th
Please.
2:30 p.m.
Please.
35.
The allegation is, my lord,
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಳೆಯದು ಹಳೆಯದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ.
ಇದು ಹಳೇದ?
ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ the only allegation is, he said he will join the party. He was welcome. Now he says immediately and the next day he says, no, I was forcibly taken.
That's all right. Yes, we'll hear it on 24th, sir. Heard the learned senior counsel, list the matter on 24th, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes.
36.
I beg to assist on behalf of. Lord, I appear for the second respondent in all the connected matters. Short accommodation of file my objections. I have filed my power today.
Learned counsel for the second respondent. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
ಹೌದು.
Learned counsel so and so. ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿನ?
ಹೌದು.
Learned counsel Rangnath Reddy submits as entered appearance for the second respondent.
ఎందుకు పిలిచేస్తారు?
Submits that is entered appearance for the second respondent in all these cases, registry to print the name of Rangnath Reddy. Rangnath or Raghunatha ನೀವು?
Rangnath.
Rangnath Reddy is appearing for the second respondent. We'll list it next week. List the matter on 26th, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Idರಲ್ಲಿ there was a direction
Investigation
for
is now being carried out with the respondent police. My lords will recall to my lord's memory, my lord, this is a matter.
ಧಾರವಾಡದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ. My lord, this is a matter, my lords, where a private complaint was filed for a reference, my lords, under 156(3). In relation to my lords, appointments that were made in 2012, a complaint was filed in 2024. Dehors, my lords, a sanction that is, my lords, was taken.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
There is no stay in the matter.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
My lords, there is only interim protection.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ there was a direction issued, my lord, to cooperate with investigation. And the petitioner, my lord, in 36.4, I've been told, my lord, has not appeared before investigation agency, though notice has been issued.
Why, sir, cooperate with the investigation?
My lords, I shall instruct my.
Cooperate with the investigation.
Well, it's my only request, my lords, before your lordships, is, my lords, one of the important grounds we have raised in the writ petition is the requirement of a sanction, my lords, for reference under 156(3), my lords, as my lords are aware, as pending consideration before the larger bench of the Supreme Court.
ಅದಿನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕೇನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
It has been constituted.
ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್
It has been constituted.
already held something.
As of now, my lords, the matter is pending is what I.
It is in Manjusurana.
Manjusurana, very good.
Ayappa was referred
Very
in
well,
that,
very
yes.
Very well. In this matter also, my lords, as far as I am concerned, my lords, I was the minister during the relevant period of time. And it was not within, my lords, my authority to make any appointments in the MCA department.
That's all right. We'll consider it on merits. It's all right.
I'll file my objection.
File your objections. Yes.
Your lordship is fixing date, my lords.
26th.
Very well, I'm great.
By then objections.
I'll
by
file
then.
my objection.
Yes.
Interim
Next.
order may.
Interim order / protection subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing, subject to the condition that the petitioner cooperates with the investigation.
Please.
Petitioner in 36.4. Yes.
I'm great.
Yes, next.
During elections, my lord, the complaint was lodged. Allegation is, my lord, the 505 and 153.
At the 11th senior council sounds. List on 24th, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes.
38.
38, my lord, the 2 FIRs are registered. my lord.
Same order. 38.1, you know.
Others, 2 FIRs are registered by different police.
Respondent number 2 in this manner, 38.
All right, we'll hear it. 20. Election offense, why not?
505.
153, na?
Why not 5 to?
Yes,
Why not
all right.
5?
Yes, next. That's it.
By the petitioner, my lords, respondent has filed the private complaint stating, my lord, regarding the offense under the 125A of the Representative of People Act, my lord, for concealing the information, saying that, my lord, I have not disclosed the property details, my lord, that property details.
ಅದು election offense ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಂಗ. Yes.
ಅದು 125. After Representative of People Act ಕೆಳಗಡೆ private complaint ಅನ್ನು cognizance.
List on 26th in the fresh matters list.
My lord, question is, my lord, stay of the proceeding.
Avath, yes, next.
40.
SF5, Madhukar,
Petitioner ma'am, for and short accommodation. Senior is held up in our.
list on 24th, yes, next.
41.
This was heard by your lordships.
You respond to it.
The trial court,
41.
yes, I would.
Hmm.
But the trial court convicted the respondent. Appellate court reversed.
Revision petition.
Division against acquittal of the appellate court judgment. I have filed my synopsis and judgment.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 24.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ already.
Sorry. List on 24th, yes.
42.
Respondents, my lord, connected matter 948 of 2024, prepared by the complaint, my lord, 138 of NA. This petition prepared by the accused. Complaint, my lord, also prepared a revision petition for enhancement of sentence. Criminal revision petition 948 of 2024.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್?
40 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ?
60 lakh ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Last occasion, my lord, Srinivas Rao ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Case is, my lord, that he has entered into a partnership deal. Gas agency was allotted to my favor. I mean, in that partnership deed, he has invested 37 lakhs.
30% ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
Deposit 50% ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್.
24ಕ್ಕೆ
26th.
ಇನ್ನ hearing ಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಯಾವತ್ತು.
ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಏನೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. List on 24th.
Along with criminal revision
Tag
petition.
this petition along with criminal revision petition, so and so.
948 of 24.
Yes. Heard senior counsel ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Yes, next.
Hearing 43.
For petitioner.
Same. All individual remarks. Yes, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Please. Seek for short term, today.
I will take this defer proceedings. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಂತೂ straight away on him and nothing else.
Today, senior as person, but tomorrow. I will take it.
Tomorrow ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 26.
Please.
List on 26th. Heard. Ahmad sir, you are appearing as AAG or what?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Private, yes.
Interim order.
The order dated 12/9 shall continue till the next date of hearing, 26th. ಅವತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll vacate it.
Great.
ಮಚ್ಚು.
ನೀವಿರಲ್ವಾ?
ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ನಿಮ್ ಕೊಲೆಗ
ನಾನು
B group 44.
Which your lordships kindly,
Here for the petition, please.
lords, we seek leave to file certain additional documents. We want to file or bring on record the preliminary inquiry which was done. I'll file it by the memo, my lords, if my lords permit.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Please, my lord.
Misconduct, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟ್?
B and C.
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 7
No, my lords. 13,
13, my lords.
13
1C and
ಹಾಕಿ.
Please,
List on 24th at the request of the council, Shri B.B. Patil,
please,
who seeks to file certain documents. All right, next.
oblige,
interim order.
Huh?
Interim order.
Entry ಮಾಡಿ.
oblige.
17 ಇಂದ ಇದೆ, ಇವತ್ತೇನು ವೆಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು.
In the connected matter.
ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ. Yes,
55.
Please,
same list on 24th, entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ continue ಮಾಡಿ.
Final disposal 46.
All on that day.
Dictating orders 47. Same.
47 reserved.
We need to.
Dictating orders.
Not synopsis is ready, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
But also two things, my lord, need to clarify. My lord. One is, my lord, this is not a case of mudslinging, my lord, where it is a case of a counter blast case, my lord, and appeals.
Yes.
And my lord, there was no intention at all, my lord. It artha agata.
Respondent ಯಾರು? ಮೋಹನ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ. I've heard it at length.
Yes, my lord. Now, only 2-3.
You were there or she was there?
No, no, I only.
I've heard it at length.
Only two things, my lord. There was no intention, and the words used, ಮೂರ್ಖ, ಅಯೋಗ್ಯ, ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. That was the word used, my lord. And my lord, in identical situation, this honorable court held, my lord, two judgments I cited, my lord, and paragraphs also marked. Where, my lord, without intention, even if some of the unparliamentary words are used, which is normally used in the North Karnataka, my lord, that will not, my lord, amount to, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದೇ ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
All right.
Page, my lord, 232 of the.
Then ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ದಳ್ವಾಯಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, some complaint was given, he was complaining, then as a, my lord, retaliation, my lord, he spoke something. Here, my lord, initially, my lord, he conveyed a press meet, then he gave a false complaint. Media, my lord, asked my reaction, a bite, my lord, which was given. In fact, he conveyed a press meet. Lord, I only, my lord.
For dictating orders.
Yes.
So reserved.
With the permission.
Last time ಕೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. Yes. But reserved. Yes.
Okay.
Next.
Interim order.
Till the disposal of the petition, interim order continues. Yes.
48.
ಇದು let it come on 24th. Yes.
Further hearing 49.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ same.
Responding to my lords. My lords, the parties are not coordinating, my lords. So next hearing date, we'll file the retirement memo.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Short
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
accommodation.
ಮಾಡಿ.
Short accommodation kindly be granted.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner throughout. On 29/8/2024, also there was no representation. The matter was directed to be listed today. Even today, there is no representation. Dismissed for non-prosecution. Next. Same. Yes, Naveed?
Lord, the only allegation, Lord, that Lord, I was canvassing, plus on last particular day, plus at 10:02 p.m.
24th, interim order continues. Next.
2 minutes beyond that.
Huh?
2 minutes beyond that limited time.
Beyond the limit.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Do it on 24th. Next.
51.
Same ರವಿಶಂಕರ್, 24ಕ್ಕೆ interim order continues. ಸುಯೋಗ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Interim order will continue. List number 2.
Number 2. Number 1.
But serial number 1, my lord, I apologize.
Yes, Rajat, what is the problem?
My lord, I apologize. I'm unwell. I couldn't appear in person.
It's okay, but
My
what is
lord,
the
the
problem?
issue is, my lord, the coordinate judge, my lord, during the vacations had passed an interim order on 28/12/2023, my
Like
lord.
being spoken to move ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ?
My lord, it's because 2 to 5 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು 2 to 4 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 is the husband, ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 2 to 5 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು 2 to 4 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
My lord,
Correction.
I sought an opinion, my lord. Registrar Judicial said concerned court ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Which is why, my lord, he's
2 to ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು?
2 to 5, my lords. 5 is the sister, my lords. One sister is
Husband
granted.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, husband ಅಲ್ಲ. 1 is the husband, Lord, please.
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 to 5 ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್,
Obliged, Lord.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Fresh matters, seal number 2.
ಶಂಕರ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. No representative of the petitioner. Less the matter. In the second week of October, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, Giri Kumar.
3.
Pass over, why? Passed over by 4 days. Next Wednesday. Fresh matters. Next.
4.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. 25th. ಎಸ್,
Number 4.
ನಟರಾಜ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದೀವ? ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್
5.
ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
MMDR.
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ MMDR ಎಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Tomorrow.
On those grounds ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಪಾಸ್.
Seal number 6.
Second, third week of October. Entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ CH ಮೋಡ ಕೊಡಿ.
Also, there's a dispute with respect to date of birth.
How can I decide here?
That's correct.
Matter requires evidence. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Emergent notice to first respondent, emergent notice to the second respondent, returnable by the 17th of October. Next.
7.
Petition. Writ of my lord, 399 402.
Sorry, 16th.
Writ of accused number 6, 399 402.
Page number 43, para 17 minutes.
Page 43.
Para 17.
No doubt. The petitioner, accused number
6 minutes.
Accused number 6 is knocking at the doors of this court in the subject petition, calling in question a split charge sheet drawn against him in SC 96 of 2022, registered for offences punishable under section 399 and 402 of the IPC. Facts in brief germane, heard so facts in brief germane are as follows. On the night of 14/2/2015, an alleged incident leads the petitioner along with others for registration of a crime for offense punishable under section 399 and 402 of the IPC in crime number 306 of 2015. The petitioner is arraigned as accused number 6. The concerned court, the police, after investigation, file a charge sheet in the said matter, and the concerned court registers SC 423 of 2015. The petitioner, accused number 6, at the relevant point in time was not available for trial, and therefore the concerned court tried the other accused and acquitted them of the allegation, acquitted them on the score that the prosecution has failed to prove the guilt beyond all reasonable doubt. The petitioner, on account of non-availability of the petitioner, the concerned court draws up a split charge sheet in SC 96 of 2022 and now is wanting to continue the trial for the aforesaid offence. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would also get acquitted if trial is permitted in the case at hand, and therefore seeks quashment of the same on the score of parity. The learned HCGP would, however, refute the submission to contend that the petitioner has escaped trial, should not be shown any indulgence. He should come out clean in a full-blown trial as the other accused have come out clean. She would seek dismissal of the petition. I have given my so-and-so. The four narrated facts are not in dispute. The petitioner not being available for trial at the relevant point in time is a matter of record. Therefore, it becomes necessary to notice what is the finding qua the acquittal of the other accused by the Court of Session in terms of its judgment dated 8th August 2022. The reasons so rendered are as follows, page 43-44. The offence alleged is preparation for commission of dacoity. It is a collective act of all the accused as is alleged. Therefore, the acquittal of accused number 1 to 5 before the concerned court would undoubtedly inure to the benefit of the petitioner, as eventually he would get acquitted. Therefore, permitting further trial against the petitioner in the for the eventuality of getting acquitted in the light of the acquittal of accused 1 to 5 would only be a waste of precious judicial time. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to obliterate the proceedings, the view of mine. Next.
Number 8.
For the petition in this matter, my lord. It's a Kaveri dispute, my lord.
Kaveri dispute.
It's the 2016 matter. It's not
16 matter.
the initially trial was conducted by the magistrate, my lord.
For damage to public property. Yes, sir.
Without knowing the 307 of IPC, my lord. Trial was conducted and evidence was recorded.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು it was posted for judgment also, my lord. Then after came to know that committed the session court in the year 2024. For the complainant himself turned drastic to the prosecution case.
ಏನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Yes, you take
only
notice.
allegation against the accused number 1 and 2, my lord. In the charge sheet.
The petitioner is accused number 4 is said to have been involved in rights with regard to the water being let from the river Kaveri or the Kaveri water dispute as it was known, as it is known. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that despite the offence under section 307 being projected, the magistrate conducted the entire trial, recorded the evidence and posted the matter for its judgment, then realizes that he had no jurisdiction to conduct the trial and commits the matter to the Court of Session after completion of the entire trial. The learned HCGP is therefore directed to accept notice for the respondent. 1 and 2 both respondents list the matter in the fresh matters list on 16th October. Till such time, further proceedings on the aforesaid score shall remain stayed. Next.
9.
Offence is complained under section 419, 420, 465, 468.
499?
465, 468, 470.
Oh, this matter. Yes, sir.
My lord, kindly see the sale date, my lord. Page number 55. My lord, this is pertaining to survey number 3 of Patandur village, my lord. The sale date on which the complainant is relying upon, my lord, is at page number 55. My lord.
Yes.
Kindly see the schedule, my lord. That doesn't mention survey number, my lord. It mentions property number 8, my lord.
Yes, sir.
If he mentions survey number, my lord, then it will show in the RTC. RTC will not allow him to register because there was no grant in favor of the person whom they are claiming, my lord. Then, my lord, way back, earlier, they are based on, they are mentioning square feet, mentioned the property in square feet. my lord.
All these are
There is
matters of evidence. I
matter
will
of
not
evidence
interfere.
for the purpose of civil dispute, my lord. Not for, the police cannot sit in judgment.
No, the allegation is forgery.
Forgery,
yes,
my
my
lords,
lord.
and impersonation, my lords. Their
My lord,
vendor
kindly see.
is my vendor's
they-
legal heirs who's demised. The
They are the
police has filed a
complaint-
report, sorry.
Who, the person who forged is Mary, my lord.
Mary?
Millie D'Souza. Millie D'Souza is not the accused at all, my lord. The only purpose is,
Charge sheet is filed.
my lord.
Charge sheet is filed.
also not filed.
She will come in, don't worry. Yes.
Not,
She will
not-
join you.
Not that way, my lord. The only purpose of these persons is to take that Millie D'Souza and register the property. Kindly see the sketch. Now schedule, first kindly see the schedule, my lord. Part, it mentions at, my lord,
Who is your vendor?
schedule starts from, my vendor is Mary, my lord. Millie D'Souza is my vendor. She is the agreement, she executed an agreement in favor of me.
Favor of?
Me for the sale of scheduled property, survey number 3, my lord.
After
Kindly see the page number 55, my lord.
No, in your favor, agreement is executed.
Executed. I am the agreement holder, my lord.
All right.
My lord, kindly see schedule page number 55. When property
Now, what is the allegation against?
that I joined along with Millie D'Souza and entered into this.
So, Millie D'Souza executes an agreement in your favor,
Yes, ma'am.
agreement of sale.
Yes, ma'am.
All
My lord,
right.
kindly see.
Wait, what is the problem with that?
My lords, Millie D'Souza is demised. She passed away in 1991. We have produced the probate.
In
and the-
91.
Yes, my lords.
They are, my lord.
Kindly see my.
What is the date of the agreement, sir?
My lord,
12/12/2022, my lords.
Oh.
Annexure C, my lords.
That, my lord, what they are.
Where
telling-
did you get the agreement executed, sir?
In Bangalore, my lord.
From whom?
From Millie D'Souza. She is very much alive, my lord. She has entered in, I have registered deed in my favor.
All right. Where is the death certificate?
My lords, I produced along with my statement
Wait,
of
sir.
defense, my lords. Annexure R1, my lords.
Certificate of death, Millie
Yes, my
D'Souza.
lords. And my lords, after
Bombay.
her death, her will was probated by the High Court.
See the way they
Bombay.
do it, my lord.
Of course.
Square feet ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ register, ಅಲ್ಲಿ
probate order, my lord.
separate, if you go and register the property like a revenue site, you don't mention the survey number. That's the way fraudsters.
So where is your agreement with Millie D'Souza?
I have produced
Page.
Annexure C, my lords, along with
Page.
page number 33, my lords.
page number.
My lords, IO has filed a report, my lords.
I have it.
ಅವರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು they want to threaten.
ನಿಮ್ಮ agreement ಕೊಡಿ sir. Page 30.
33, my lords. Annexure C, page number 33.
53, ma'am.
More.
Agreement of sale.
Yes.
Thomas and
Mele the Swami, Srimati Millie D'Souza, wife of D'Souza.
Millie, 81 years.
And it's a registered deed, my lord.
Correct, sir.
And one more thing, my lord, I'll come to the point. My lord, kindly see page number 59. This survey sketch ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರದೇ from in their sale deed.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Temple soils. Survey sketch ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ. Millie D'Souza, where did she come from?
She's in Bangalore, my lord.
Bangalore.
My lord, she is not dead, my lord. These people are saying that she died in Bombay. They got some, the will probated in Bombay court, and they're producing a death certificate of Millie D'Souza. Kindly see the sketch accompanying their sale deed, my lord, page number 59. ಇದು part 1, part 2, part 3 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು this is annexed to the sale deed. In sale deed. Kindly see the service
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು?
ಪಟ್ಟಂದೂರ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್.
ಯಾರ್ಪುರಂ.
Yes,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes.
My lord, kindly see.
There is a similar such case filed by another person, my lords, where he is trying to encroach upon the property.
All this is matter of evidence, sir.
Civil court ಅಲ್ಲಿ. My lord, kindly see, 1 minute, my lord, kindly.
They will not interfere with this.
Why it should be interfered anta nanu, I'll just show why it is. Kindly see page number 87. This is the record of the government. Kindly see the survey sketch, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲಿ and compare it with the sale deed sketch of this person. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಇದೆ.
All this is a matter of.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ತಾವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 1, 2, 3, 4 ನಾವು ತಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 87. My lord got the sketch.
Yes, all right.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು see the design, my lord. It's the same thing. Part 1, part 2, part 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ. ಈ part 4 ಗೆ ನನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 3/4 ಇರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. That is not his land, my lord. According to him also, it is a vacant land. Why should I face a criminal trial when his identity of the property itself is not there, my lord? That is decided before the civil court.
After the FIR is filed, they still proceed to enter into an absolute sale.
ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ನ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಓಡ್ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇವರು
Sale deed is already in my favor.
ವೆಂಡರ್ ನ ಇವ್ರು ಸೇಲ್
ವೆಂಡರ್.
She is very much alive, my lord. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಖಾತಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದು
Let them produce before the court.
My lord, it kindly see.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲಿ ಡೀಸಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇವರು
not these documents, all other documents of our existence.
My lord, I has found out in the sub-registrar's office, the Aadhaar card which was produced as Melidisa is a forged one. In the IO report, and that lady is someone called as Elizabeth Thomas.
ಇದು ತೆಗ್ದಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. We'll resume at 1:45 if you are all okay with it. Otherwise, I'll come at 2:30. Because reference ಇದೆ 3:45, 3:30 will have to rise ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
We're thankful for
I'll come back at 1:45.
Great. Obliged for that.
You also have quick lunch and come. Yes, Tahir. Entry mode adjourn ಮಾಡಿ extend ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ please.